This mind map is focused around memory. So I've split this mind map into 5 different sections. So starting up here, we've got the different ways which memory is stored. So sensory in those sensory receptors, short-term memory, which for example here is putting in a phone number, very short, 15 to 30 seconds. Working memory is a little bit longer. It helps us complete some of those tasks. We need to remember certain patterns. And then long-term memory. So for example, storing books in a library here. This is information which can be retrieved and stays for a long time, up to a lifetime. Up here we've got memory processing. So this shows the 3 key processes of memory. So encoding is the process of getting information into memory. Storage, this is maintaining that information over time. And then retrieval is bringing stored information back when we need it. On this side here, I've included strategies to improve memory. So we've got chunking, which is grouping information together. So for example, 1, 2, these numbers here. Rehearsal, so that's where we say things over and over and over again to strengthen those neurons, to strengthen that memory in the brain. And then finally here we've got schema. So this is a mental framework that helps organize information. So for example, using a filing box image to show how we file information based on what we already know. They can, however, influence or distort memory because we may remember things in a way that fits our expectations. So down here, I've got some physiology of memory, just some little important parts that help understand how memory is stored in the brain. So the hippocampus, this part of the brain here, is important to explain how memories, it's the storing and forming new memories. So this is where the memory is stored in the brain here. And then the amygdala, this is important because emotions can impact memory. So particularly memories connected to fear, stress, or emotional significance. So that's this little red dot here. And finally, at the bottom of the map, I've got some memory information across the lifespan, as shown by this arrow going across here. So we've got infantile amnesia. So this is limited ability to recall early childhood memories, as shown by this picture of a baby with a question mark. And memory development outlines how memory improves as children grow and develop better strategies. Memory decline as we get older. Some memory abilities can become weaker with aging. And then finally, we've got false memories and false fallibility, which shows that memory is not always perfect. There may also be some missing pieces.